It just went through WEA.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Test. Got some TV stations, AM, FM. Got digital TV. There we go.
Test alert. Test alert.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. No action. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System.
In Buick Encore.
At the start of this message, no action is required. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System.
There they go.
Heat advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Excessive heat warning in effect from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. 1. For the heat advisory, heat index values up to 103 expected. For the excessive heat warning, dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 108 expected. Where? Sarasota, Eastern Schenectady, Eastern Albany, Western Rensselaer, and Eastern Dutchess counties in Eastern New York. When? For the heat advisory until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. For the excessive heat warning from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. Impacts. Extreme heat and humidity will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a pool at shaded locations. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Heat advisory remains in effect.
Alright, that was Albany's first 1050 Hz excessive heat warning that I got for 2021. That is something.
And northern New London and the following areas in New York: northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Nassau, southern Nassau. National Weather Service in upstate New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County and southeastern New York until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gardiner Town or New Walden, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gardiner Town around 4:20 p.m. Newburgh around 4:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Over here. Yeah, FM station over here.
Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, and Southern Queens. Air quality alert in effect from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Wednesday. The New York State Department of Environmental Conservation has issued an air quality health advisory for the following counties: New York, Bronx, Kings, Queens, Richmond, Westchester, and Rockland from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Wednesday. Air quality...
Putnam. I can guarantee you this is Putnam.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County and southeastern New York, western Putnam County and southeastern New York until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Walnut, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. And therefore, the thunderstorm will be near around 4:30 p.m. Newburgh to the New London around 4:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Last and damage rooms and see the clouds around what is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Remember, large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Orange and Putnam.
Alright. My only request is that you guys don't splash them too much, but...
I only did it once or twice.
Face the short end, yell, or wait.
Michael, your camera's over here.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ulster County in east central New York, central Dutchess County in east central New York, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairview or over Poughkeepsie, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poughkeepsie, Hyde Park, Pleasant Valley, Ammonia, Highland, Millbrook, Fairview, Red Oaksville, Windale, Dover Plains, Lloyd, Smithfield, Salt Point, Naps Corner, South Dover, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, Elting Corners, Clove Valley, and Heavyland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Dutchess and Ulster. What? Heat index values. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
I'm gonna set this down over here. I know of an FM station over
10 miles per hour.
What station?
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Goshen around 5:30 p.m. Montgomery around 5:50 p.m. Walden around 6 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room. Severe thunderstorm will be near Eastern Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. 50 p.m. Walden around 6 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For sensitive groups. Western Putnam counties and southeastern New York until 6:30 p.m. 5:50 p.m. 5:50 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Windsor or near Newark, moving at 20 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Thunderstorm warning. Mount hail damage to vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gardiner around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Newburgh and West Point around 6:05 p.m. around 6:30 p.m. For your protection, move to
Nope. No. No? They're not on channel 7.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Orange and Putnam. NNNN. NNNN.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Ketchtown, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, and Riverdale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 31 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
WTTM?
Yep. Trying to get them.
I just turned it on down there. We're getting them over here. Can you hold this for me? I gotta eat the rest of my dinner.
Might be because of interference.
Possibly.
I mean, I could hear it, but...
They're a little bit better to get at night, but
Wakefield as well.
yeah, we might not be able to get them as well. So, might as well just focus on NJN when we can. Holy, same headers.
Right?
The National Weather Service
They use WKVP for this.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Nice.
for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ambler to near Arden, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Also, these storms have a history of producing wind damage in Chester County. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Westchester, Gloucester City, Bensalem, Norristown, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Belmore, Yeton, Westtown, Woodbury, and Pittman. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 3. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 310 and 354. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 34. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 36. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 16 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile...
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Morris County, East Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 11:30 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
New Jersey.
Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well
well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Ketchtown, Goodson, Wharton, Rockaway, and Morris Plains. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 25 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 34 and 48. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. In heavy terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris and Warren. Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey. South Central Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey. Essex County in northeastern New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Florham Park or near Morristown.
No, just
moving
New Jersey.
30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Good job getting it though, thank you.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wilburn and Fairfield around 7:55 p.m.
Wrong Fairfield.
Caldwell around 8 p.m. Orange around 8:05 p.m. Newark and Bloomfield around 8:10 p.m.
Newark Airport is in this.
Passaic and Lyndhurst around 8:15 p.m. Secaucus and Peterborough around 8:20 p.m. Hoboken and Hackensack around 8:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
1, 2, 3.
This engine will go off.
In 3, in 2, in 1.
Press the weather button just to be safe.
7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Florham Park or near Morristown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near
As I was saying. I'm gonna check the radios upstairs.
Go check them, book it! Book it!
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County, south central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey until 8:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen, Gardiner, or 15 miles east of Easton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Hopatcong, Ketchtown, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendham, High Bridge, Stanhope, McCall, Clinton, Oxford, Glen, Gardiner, Chester, Victory Gardens, Hampton, Califon, and Andover. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 17. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 36, in between mile markers 41 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey near mile marker 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County, south central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, central Warren County in and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Hocatcon, Hartchetown, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendon, High Bridge, Stanhope, McCall, Clinton, Oxford, Glen, Gardiner, Chester, Victory Gardens, Captain, Califon, and Andover. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 17. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 36, and between mile markers 41 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey near mile marker 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Did I just get my shot?
No.
Okay.
No.